Hi everyone! In this tutorial we'll be going over how to remove the green screen backgrounds from your videos using iMovie. So the first thing that I want to do is go to Backgrounds. I'm going to select a background and then I'm going to drag it into my timeline. Then I'll go back to My Media, and here's where I'm going to grab my video and then add it to my timeline as well. If you don't see your video here, you'll need to take the extra step to import it from your library. So to import any media, you hit this button right here with the arrow, and that'll open up the files on your laptop, and then you'll be able to import your file. So I have my file here ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop that as well right on top of my background. So one thing to note is that you will have to make sure to extend your background so it covers the full length of your video. So to do that, I just put my cursor right at the edge of the background and then drag it out for the length of the movie. So I think the iBook chapters are going to start with a movie that is 90 seconds maximum. So just for the sake of the video, I'm going to drag it out to 48 seconds. And then I will scroll back to the beginning of the movie. Great. So once I click on the background, it's going to show me, I click on the movie, and then I get this this square that's inset with another square. If you don't see that, let's see, when I hit the white button, the white background, I don't see it, but when I hit my movie, I do see it. So I'll need to hit that button and then select green blue screen. And that will remove the green screen background. So this is looking a little gray on the edges, and I can resolve that simply by hitting this eraser right here and then just moving any parts that I don't like. So that's it. There you have it. You've successfully removed the green screen background and put in a different background color. And again, if you go to the backgrounds, there are lots to choose from that come already pre-installed. If you want a different color background, if there's a particular shade that you love, then you can actually just Google an image of that color. Maybe there's a particular hex color or anything. You just Google it, save the image, and then import the file right into here and drag and drop it into your timeline. That's it. Thanks.